Hi guys, we are here. I created a game which is magne-toe. I think about that because we are using magnets and it's like tic-tac-toe and the end is toe.
Okay, so what's that on the fridge?
It's ketchup. It's shaped as a
Like a grid, right?
grid.
Okay, so who's gonna go first?
Me.
Okay.
Okay, I put it in the middle of always. No one.
Okay, let's try again.
Yeah. It's so easy.
Okay, why don't you go first?
I'm always gonna start from the middle.
You will?
Ah.
Okay, I will go here. Nobody won again. Alright, so, well, this is a interesting game. Maybe we can try again later, okay?